Welcome to the top iPhone apps of the month. In today's fast-paced world, there are thousands of apps available at our fingertips, but only a select few rise to the top. These apps have captured the attention of users around the world with their innovative features and user-friendly interfaces. First up, we have TikTok. This social media app has taken the world by storm with its short-form videos that showcase everything from dance challenges to cooking tutorials. With a simple swipe of your finger, you can discover new content tailored to your interests and even create your own viral videos. Next, we have Zoom. In a time when virtual meetings have become the norm, Zoom has become an essential tool for staying connected with colleagues, friends, and family. Its easy-to-use platform allows users to host video conferences, webinars, and virtual happy hours with just a few clicks. For those looking to stay organized, Todoist is a must-have app. This task management tool helps users keep track of their to-do lists, set reminders, and prioritize tasks. With its sleek design and intuitive features, Todoist makes it easy to stay on top of your daily responsibilities. If you're a music lover, Spotify is the app for you. With millions of songs at your fingertips, you can create personalized playlists, discover new artists, and even listen to podcasts. Whether you're working out at the gym or relaxing at home, Spotify has the perfect soundtrack for every moment. For those looking to improve their mental health, Headspace is a game changer. This meditation and mindfulness app offers guided meditation sessions, sleep stories, and breathing exercises to help users reduce stress and improve their overall well-being. With just a few minutes a day, you can find peace and clarity in a hectic world. Last but not least, we have Duolingo. This language learning app makes it fun and easy to pick up a new language. With interactive lessons, quizzes, and rewards, Duolingo helps users master vocabulary and grammar in a way that feels like a game. These top iPhone apps of the month have something for everyone, whether you're looking to connect with others, stay organized, or improve your well-being. So why wait? Download these apps today and discover the endless possibilities at your fingertips.